If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. After creating projects in QuickBooks Online Plus, you can easily view the project's income and costs on the project's details page. To view a project's details page in QuickBooks Online Plus, click the Projects link in the navigation bar to open the Projects page to the right. Then, click the name of the project to view in the Projects list in the Projects page to view its Project Details page. The project's income versus cost bar graph, its overall profit margin, its total open invoices, and its total overdue invoices appear as widgets at the top of the project details page. To see an overview of the project's income and costs, click the Overview tab in the project's details page to see a breakdown and total of the income, costs, and profit. To change whether the Costs section shows hourly costs as set on the Projects page for employees or actual payroll expenses, select either Hourly Costs or Payroll Expenses from the drop-down in the upper left corner of this tab. To see the project's transactions, click the Transactions tab in the Project's Details page. To show any time activities recorded for the project, click the Time Activity tab in the Project's Details page. We'll examine this in more detail in the next chapter on time tracking in this tutorial. To show the project reports, click the Project Reports tab in the Project's Details page. The three project reports are named Project Profitability, Time Cost by Employee or Vendor, and Unbilled Time and Expenses. To view any of these reports, click the View link to the right of the Reports row to run the report. To return to the project's details page if desired, click the Back to Project Details link in the upper left corner of the report. To show project information, click the Project Details tab. To edit this information if needed, click the Edit link to show the project's details in an Edit Your Project pane that then appears at the right side of the window. Make any editing changes needed in the fields in this pane, and then click the Save button at the bottom of the pane to save the changes. To add project file attachments, click the Attachments tab. Then click the Upload button to upload files using a dialog box that appears, or drag and drop files onto the Upload area in this tab. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.